eminent personalities, senators, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. This is a very easy assignment, but it's also a very tedious one. So much has been said about the man, the Isama of the universe. Isama Noge, I talk by. My job here is to present this book formally, and I'm very glad that my brother in his speech said that this is for the endowment of the university, of Pada University. And the bossa just said that if you go into that enterprise, it's a capital-intensive enterprise. So indeed, the support is needed and necessary. Why my brother chose me to be the chief presenter, I don't know. It must have something in mind. Even though he knows that many of us, his colleagues, are trying to transit from public office after 20 years to the private sector. So, Gidigan, I will do my best. I will do my best. I just conferred with the Vice Chancellor, because what I would like to do, I will do it in two parts. One for the book and the university endowment. The other, I want to target specifically to the Department of Economics as a chair to the Department of Economics of Okada University. This man we're talking about has been so eloquently espoused by the Vice Chancellor. It's a father to all of us. In fact, after Chief Lokinosa Igbinedion, I'm his second son. Bright, I'm older than you. So between Ogidiga and yourself, I come somewhere there. And if I were to put or quantify the support and prayers that I've received from our father, I don't think I will be able to do justice to this assignment. However, as I'm taking the lead, please forgive me. You don't have to do what I've done. You can do way more than what I'm doing here. For the chair in the economics department, I want to put a very meager sum. As I said, if it were not for the economic situation and the financial situation, I will do everything I can to promote this university. So, Mr. VC, for the chair, I want to put 50 million. And for the university, another 50 million. And I can make this promise because Esama has done his bit. And it will continue to laugh and laugh and laugh. But I also know that my dear brother and friend, the issue of Fubara, is the Deputy Chancellor. Mr. Deputy Chancellor, sir, you will continue to have my support to develop the university, Okada University. Esama established a primary school, a nursery school, a primary school, a secondary school, and a university. What else can a man do for humanity? He has done his best, and it is now our turn. I want to call on all of you to support this endeavor. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.